Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the Paraphraser ChatGPT plugin that you can use to paraphrase like a professional writer using this ChatGPT plugin. Right before I will show you an actual example on how to prompt the Paraphraser ChatGPT plugin properly, I just want to let you know that I have a full tutorial on this plugin where I talk about some of the best use cases of this plugin, and I also share some of the best prompts you can use the Paraphraser ChatGPT plugin with. So if you're interested in more detailed tutorial, check out the link in the description below. And you can also get access to a complete database of all currently available ChatGPT plugins that can be installed from the ChatGPT plugin store. You can search this plugin database by category, plugin name, description, and get quick access to ChatGPT plugin video tutorials, the best use cases and prompts for all available ChatGPT plugins. The database can be downloaded for free, but you can also support the maintenance and the frequent updates of the database with a small donation. Any support is appreciated. You can get access to this database by using the link in the description below. But now let's see a real example on how to use the Paraphraser ChatGPT plugin. So before you would be able to use the plugin, of course you have to make sure that plugins are enabled in your ChatGPT account. To be able to enable plugins, you have to have a ChatGPT Plus subscription. Then all you have to do is click on New Chat on the top left, select GPT-4 from the model selector, select plugins from this dropdown. Then you have to install the Paraphraser plugin. If it's not installed for you, as you can see it's installed for me already, then you have to scroll down here, click on Plugin Store and install the plugin. And last but not least, once the plugin is installed, you also have to enable the plugin, and you can enable any plugin by clicking the checkbox next to the name of the plugin. Alright, as an example, we're going to paraphrase this text I have highlighted here. This is a tutorial on how ChatGPT plugins work and how you can use them. And this is a brief description of ChatGPT plugins. So I copied this text from my article, then go back to ChatGPT and I paste the text, and all I had to add is paraphrase this for me. And if you click on send message here, you can see that the plugin has been activated. I had to actually regenerate a response one time because it has had some kind of bug and I had to regenerate the response. But as you can see, this error sometimes appears when you are using this plugin. I don't know why it is. Hopefully they are gonna fix this soon. But regardless of the error, the Paraphraser plugin was still able to paraphrase the text here. So you can compare that this is actually a better text in my opinion. It's a better crafted text. It's more natural sounding as the original text. So if you have any kind of blog post or sales copy or anything else you want to paraphrase, you can use this plugin to paraphrase your articles very seamlessly and like a professional writer using the Paraphraser ChatGPT plugin. If you want to learn more about other ChatGPT plugins that can be used for SEO, marketing, content writing, freelance writing, and for other use cases as well, so finance, business, productivity, cryptocurrency trading, stock trading, and more, I have a ton of tutorials on my YouTube channel that you can check out, and more are coming up, so make sure to subscribe. And also, if you want to get access to the complete ChatGPT plugin database that includes categories, searchable descriptions, and more, you can also find the link to that in the video description below.